Welcome to a modern electric heater factory, where skilled workers and robots work together to build every unit.
The process starts with raw materials: metal sheets, heating coils, ceramic insulators, and wires, ready for assembly. High-resistance nichrome wire is carefully wound into coils that will become the heater's main source of warmth.
Each coil is inserted into heat-resistant ceramic tubes to ensure safety and prevent overheating.
The heater's metal body is formed using high-pressure stamping machines, shaping it into precise components.
Power switches and safety buttons are installed, completing the heater's control interface for users. Thermostats are added to control temperature and protect the heater from overheating. Wires are connected, screws tightened, and the heating element is carefully secured inside the casing.
On the assembly line, workers begin combining the coils and metal casing, building the core structure of the heater. The heater's metal body is formed using high-pressure stamping machines, shaping it into precise components.
Each heater is tested on benches to ensure it produces consistent and safe heat output.
Ultra transcription. Multiple heaters are tested simultaneously, with engineers checking performance and reliability.
Workers carefully inspect every unit, checking the surface, screws, and labels for perfection.
After inspection, heaters are cleaned and polished to ensure a flawless finish.
Automated packaging machines place each heater into branded boxes, ready for shipping.
Workers seal boxes, apply labels, and double-check contents to maintain quality standards.
Packed heaters move along the conveyor toward the loading area, prepared for delivery.
Forklifts carefully load pallets of heaters into trucks, ready to be shipped worldwide.
A close-up of the branded heater box shows the quality and care put into every product.
Robotic arms assist in precise assembly, placing coils perfectly inside the metal housing.
Close-up of wires being connected ensures every electrical path is secure and safe. Stacked heater bodies move efficiently along the conveyor for the next assembly step.
Thermostat knobs are installed with precision, allowing users to control the heat easily.
Thermal cameras show even heat distribution, confirming the heater works safely and efficiently.
Engineers monitor several heaters at once, checking for performance and safety compliance.
Each heater undergoes a final inspection to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Heaters move through the cleaning station, ensuring surfaces are spotless and shiny.
Automated machines slide each heater into cardboard trays, ready for safe shipment.
Labels are applied automatically, displaying the brand and product details clearly.
Stacked boxes are organized neatly on pallets, ready for loading onto trucks.
Forklifts transport pallets efficiently, preparing them for warehouse storage or shipping. Forklifts transport pallets efficiently, preparing them for warehouse storage or shipping.
Hundreds of packed heaters line the warehouse, ready to reach homes around the world. A glowing heater demonstrates how electrical energy is converted into warmth for everyday use.
Users can adjust the thermostat knob to set the desired temperature with ease.
Safety switches are tested to ensure the heater operates without risk of overheating.
Loaded trucks leave the factory,
bringing electric heaters from the production line to homes worldwide.